To become a production supervisor in 2024, start by earning a relevant degree in industrial engineering, manufacturing, or business management. Gain hands-on experience in production or manufacturing roles to understand operations and workflows. Develop leadership, problem-solving, and communication skills. Pursue certifications, like Lean Six Sigma, to enhance process improvement knowledge. Apply for supervisory roles and continuously update your skills to stay competitive in the industry. Career Roadmap. Comprehensive guide to navigating your production supervisor journey. Industry diversity. Explore opportunities across multiple dynamic sectors. Essential skills. Master critical competencies for supervisory success. Career success. Strategies for thriving in challenging production environments. Impactful role. Supervise production teams, optimize processes, and ensure efficiency. Directly influence the success of a company. Hands-on experience. Gain practical experience in various production settings, learning about different materials, machines, and processes. Career growth potential. Advance to senior management roles, like operations manager, plant manager, or even CEO. Fast-paced environment. Thrive in a dynamic and stimulating work environment, constantly adapting to new challenges and finding solutions. Team management. Lead, motivate, and guide production teams to achieve production goals. Process optimization. Identify areas for improvement in production processes to increase efficiency and reduce waste. Quality control. Ensure products meet quality standards and address any issues promptly. Safety compliance. Maintain a safe working environment for all employees and enforce safety regulations. Manufacturing. Wide range of industries, from automotive and electronics to food processing and textiles. Construction. Supervise construction projects, ensure adherence to plans and specifications. Energy. Supervise operations in power plants, oil refineries, and renewable energy facilities. Warehousing and logistics. Manage warehouse operations, oversee inventory management, and optimize shipping processes. Technical proficiency in production processes, equipment, and materials. Strong leadership skills to motivate and guide teams towards achieving production goals. Excellent communication skills to effectively convey instructions, provide feedback, and address issues. Problem-solving skills to identify and resolve production challenges quickly and efficiently. Strong organizational skills to manage time, resources, and tasks effectively. Knowledge of safety regulations and procedures to create a safe working environment. Understanding of quality control processes to ensure products meet standards. High school diploma. The minimum requirement for entry-level production supervisor roles. Associate's degree. Preferred qualification in manufacturing or industrial technology. Bachelor's degree. Highly advantageous for career advancement in operations management. Six Sigma certification. Demonstrates expertise in quality control and process improvement. Lean manufacturing certification. Focuses on reducing waste and improving efficiency in production processes. Certified Production Manager, CPM. Recognizes proficiency in production management principles and practices. American Society for Quality, ASQ, certifications. Provides specialized certifications in quality management, auditing, and engineering. Internships. Gain practical experience in a production setting, working alongside experienced professionals. Entry-level production roles. Start as a production worker, gaining hands-on knowledge and understanding of production processes. Assistant supervisor roles. Gain experience supporting a supervisor, learning about team management and process optimization. Online courses. Access a wide range of courses covering production techniques, quality control, and safety regulations. Technical training programs. Attend workshops and seminars offered by manufacturers and industry associations. Industry publications. Stay updated on industry trends, technological advancements, and best practices. Mentorship. Find a mentor who can guide you, provide advice, and share their expertise. Leadership courses. Develop essential skills like communication, delegation, and conflict resolution. Team building activities. Enhance teamwork, collaboration, and communication within your team. Active listening. Listen attentively to understand perspectives and provide constructive feedback. Clear and concise communication. Effectively convey instructions, provide feedback, and address issues clearly and concisely. Written communication. Compose professional emails, reports, and documentation. Prioritize tasks. Strategically organize tasks based on urgency and importance. Develop a schedule. Create and maintain a structured schedule with dedicated time for specific tasks. Use organizational tools. Leverage calendars, task managers, and digital spreadsheets for optimal organization. OSHA standards. Familiarize yourself with OSHA regulations for workplace safety. Emergency procedures. Understand emergency procedures for accidents and incidents. Hazard identification. Learn to identify and mitigate potential hazards in the workplace. Understand quality control principles and procedures. Learn how to use various inspection tools and equipment. Become familiar with industry standards and quality assurance protocols. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, software. Manage inventory, track production, and analyze performance. MES, Manufacturing Execution System, software. Monitor and control production processes in real time. CAD, Computer-Aided Design, software. Design and create product blueprints and manufacturing specifications. CAM, Computer-Aided Manufacturing, software. Control and optimize CNC machines and automated production processes. Industry events. Attend conferences, trade shows, and workshops to meet professionals. Professional organizations. Join industry associations, like the American Society for Quality, ASQ. Online communities. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn and industry-specific forums. Highlight relevant skills. Emphasize your technical skills, leadership experience, and problem-solving abilities. Quantify your achievements. Use numbers and metrics to demonstrate your impact in previous roles. Tailor your resume. Customize your resume for each job application, highlighting skills relevant to the specific role. Research the company. Understand the company's culture, values, and industry position. Practice common questions. Prepare answers for standard interview questions, including behavioral questions. Prepare your questions. Demonstrate your interest in the company and role by asking insightful questions. Production worker. Gain hands-on experience, learn production processes, and demonstrate reliability. Assistant supervisor. Support a supervisor, learn team management, and gain experience in process optimization. Production supervisor. Take ownership of a production team, ensure efficiency, and meet production goals. Senior production supervisor. Oversee multiple production lines or departments, implement strategic initiatives. Operations manager. Responsible for the overall operations of a factory or plant, including production, logistics, and quality control. Plant manager. Lead and manage all aspects of a manufacturing facility, including production, engineering, and maintenance. Entry level. Between $40,000 and $55,000 per year. Experienced supervisor. Between $65,000 and $85,000 per year. Senior production supervisor. Over $90,000 per year, with potential for bonuses and profit sharing. Amazon. A global leader in e-commerce, warehousing, and logistics, with numerous production and fulfillment centers worldwide. Toyota. A renowned automotive manufacturer, with a strong commitment to efficiency and quality. Microsoft. A technology giant with large-scale manufacturing operations for its hardware products. Siemens. A global leader in manufacturing, infrastructure, and energy solutions, with a strong focus on innovation and automation. Remote positions are becoming more common, especially in industries like manufacturing and logistics. International companies often hire production supervisors for overseas operations, offering global experience. Online platforms and job boards connect employers and candidates from around the world. Meeting deadlines. Prioritize tasks, delegate effectively, and communicate clearly with your team. Managing conflict. Use active listening, empathy, and conflict resolution techniques to resolve disputes. Adapting to change. Embrace continuous improvement, learn new skills, and be flexible in a dynamic environment. Set boundaries. Establish clear separation between work and personal life to maintain mental wellness. Manage time effectively. Utilize strategic time management to optimize productivity and reduce workplace stress. Prioritize self-care. Engage in activities that rejuvenate and bring personal joy outside of work responsibilities. Effective leader. Inspires and motivates team members, fosters a collaborative environment. Problem solver. Identifies and resolves production challenges quickly and efficiently. Results-oriented. Focuses on achieving production goals and continuously seeks improvement. Identify your strengths. Reflect on your skills and experiences, and consider areas for growth. Set career goals. Establish short-term and long-term goals, including certifications and experience. Network and connect. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and build relationships. Technical skills. Develop a strong foundation in production processes, equipment, and materials. Leadership abilities. Enhance your leadership skills, including communication, delegation, and conflict resolution. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends, pursue certifications, and continually expand your knowledge. We hope this presentation provided you with a clear path to becoming a successful production supervisor. Good luck on your journey.